So here I am. I've arrived at Barbury Castle. It's taken me 2 hours 15 minutes. I've got 2 hours to get back before a wedding. It's sunny. It's a beautiful day. I'll just show you that I am actually at Barbury Castle, and I did come on my bicycle, where all those pictures were from. That's kind of big hilly thing. Swindon over there, it's quite hazy. Car parks over there. Big hill. That was annoying. Yeah, so that was my bicycle ride on Saturday, and it shouldn't take me that long to get back. It's all downhill. This is the kind of fun I have. Haha. Yeah. Bye. Right, update from halfway down the hill. Back brake doesn't really do stopping. Under does controlled descent. Controlled as in you kind of go at the same speed. It's quite a steep hill, and if I need to stop, I'm screwed. So I think I'm going to walk down. I might just carry on, but the brakes are squeaking. The back one just doesn't stop it. The front one does, but that's not connected. So down the hill we go, with one back brake, no front brake, and hopefully a car won't come and I won't get too fast. Wish me luck. Bye.